Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I have another entry to open now. I'm in Australia and this is an entry in my tag challenge, which is only got tomorrow and then it'll be finished. I have a couple of people that have said they've posted theirs, so I will put them in the draw, and then when I get their tag, if they win, I will post them in the parcel if that happens like that. Okay, so this one here is from Diane Duncan, and she lives in Queensland, and this is very pretty paper and that she's got this wrapped in, isn't it? And a lovely pink washi tape, spotty washi tape, lovely washi tape. Oh, look at this, isn't this pretty? I love the paper too, Diane, thank you very much. I do like this pretty paper. We'll have that. Okay, well, it's very nice. Right. And this is a little ticket, sending you all my love and hello. Look at that, and she's wrapped all these goodies around the outside for me. Oh, look at this nice lace and the pom-pom trim. Well, that's a good way of storing it. And this is a butterfly tape. I've been trying to find a bit of, I think I got some on something, but you just got to keep looking, don't you? You know, if you want different sorts of things, you just got to keep looking, I reckon. That's really nice, this butterfly one. I do like that. I went and bought some butterfly stickers one time, and they weren't really nice. They weren't really that pretty at all, I didn't think. But anyway, we've got to, it's all trial and error. I'm taking all this off here because I've got to get this out, don't I? Oh, or do I? I should have probably not did this. Oh, I'm sorry, Diane. I think you've gone to all this trouble rolling up, but then if I got it, and I'll fix it in a minute. I'll fix it back around something. Oh, look, we got here. Look, isn't this pretty? I can see this is a pretty one. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love these. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Wow. Oh, they are nice, aren't they? Aren't they pretty? Thank you so much. I like botanical vintage and chubby chic, she said. That's really nice. She's got 5 grandchildren. I don't have any. I sort of have a sort of one. I don't know how that works, but it's not actually adopted. But you know, we're not going to worry about that today. Okay, she does crochet, and she said not well, and she looks after her husband, and her eldest grandson lives with it. We have 3 little dogs and a cat. Oh, good. Love animals. They are really beautiful. Look at this. I do love these. You've done a really good job of these. Are really pretty tags. Oh, I do love that. You've got some nice stickers on there and doing some fussy cutting. And a nice piece of lace on the bottom. These are beautiful. They really are. Very nice. I love this style too, don't I? Because I do like that. And you have the fabric on there with a sticker on the top. Isn't that good? I do love those. They are beautiful. And thank you for these trims. I really like trims. And this little apricot one here, this is beautiful. Look at this. It's like a cotton lace one, this one. I'll roll him back up here. See, look at that. Isn't that nice? And then we've got this nice blue. Love the blue colours. The blue and apricot, and lots of colours and apricot go together really nicely. And the tassely things, these are cool. They are really nice. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for sending me those little goodies as extras. Okay? Now I'm going to open another one, but I'm going to switch it off and go and get it because I've so far done every one of them separate, so I want to still do that. Okay, so we won't be long, and I'll come back and I'll show you another one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.